Mike, I have to start here because it's impossible to be in this space right now and not be confronted by a steady stream of invading humanoid robots. Tesla has Optimus in internal trials and is targeting commercial rollout this year. Figure, Agility, Boston Dynamics, Atlas, and in various stages of industrial testing. NVIDIA made physical AI a centerpiece of GTC just 2 weeks ago. And the level of noise around this is extraordinary. But you've spent more than 40 years watching technology promises meet actual factory floors. And that's a very different vantage point from what most people commenting on this have. So we'd love your honest assessment. Where are humanoid robots actually right now? Do you see it as genuine progress or still largely theatre?
I probably should start by saying I am a bit skeptical, and so you're probably going to speculate as to what that might mean. But I think we've still got lots of technical challenges that need to be addressed. In certain use cases, humanoids do have a viable operation, but I do think the whole point of a humanoid is really it's a general purpose automation device, and there are at least two significant challenges that in my mind are yet to be successfully addressed. The first is dexterity. So we need grippers, we need tools that the humanoids can use that are equivalent, if you like, to what we can do with our hands. And I know that progress is being made very quickly, but we're not there yet. And I think until that one's solved, then they're not going to be that general purpose automation device. And I think the other big challenge is safety. Typical industrial robot, if you want to stop it quickly because it's an unsafe operation, you press the e-stop and basically the power gets killed. If you do that with humanoid, it falls over. And given that humanoids in the main that are being used in factories are about the same size as I am and about the same weight as I am, I don't particularly want one of those things falling on me. So, and I think that's the problem. So they are being used in particular cases, but I think you'll often see them operating in areas where we don't have people also working in those areas. So they're not yet that general purpose automation device that ultimately is what we're aiming for.